Welcome everybody. Let's talk about PHN because we've got a 1 to 50 reverse split news for the 27th of February next week on Tuesday. That's why the price pumped down for PHN and went to our bottom that we discussed before on our YouTube, and we said the 16 and 18 is the reversal zone for PHN. So now we have to discuss what's the game plan, what's the price target after the reverse split, and what we should expect after that. Are we going to have a breakout and make the short cover after the reverse split? Because it happened for many stocks before. Price go down, then continue to go higher, break the resistance, and we're going to have a reverse squeeze from the bottom. So there's a chance, guys. However, we have to discuss in today's video where we should watch for the first alert, first signal for that squeeze that will happen, might happen after the reverse split 1 to 50. So hit the like button and the weighing, guys, because we always do update each day in a pre-market here on our YouTube, of course, and before that on our Patreon and Discord in order to have access to early alert. Last Friday, we hunted for OCEA. And as you can see here, we have a really great hunt in the pre-market before the market opened when we said the breakout will happen around this level. Let me just show you exactly here. We said the 27 is the breakout zone, and we said the 85 is the profit taken. And this one went where? Of course, went toward the $2 because after that we hunted again on our unicorn hunt. After we finished our live stream on YouTube, we hunted for OCEA and we set the support around 71 and profit taken around the $2. And we already closed our trade for this one, of course, last Friday around $1.57 for this one. So it was a really good trade. So if you want to join early for those kind of trade, you can join us in the link comment section below for our Patreon and Discord for exclusive alert before the market open. So let's dive deeper and discuss PHN for today, guys. As we said, the support is the 16 and 18. That's why we've got a reversal. How much? We reverse almost 25% in a span of 15 minutes. That's how fast the price reverse once it hit the price value for any stock. That's why we suggest to enter there, to put a buy limit order, to be ready once the market flush down from the 25. And of course, we have that after the news of reverse split. So we predicted that before even the news. As we said, once the news hit the market, is already too late to do anything. That's why we have to prepare before the news. If you have news or you got the news of the reverse split before it hit the market, it's mean inside trading, and this is illegal. You can go to prison for that. So why bother sniffing for the news if it is illegal, knowing the news before the market? So it doesn't make any sense. And if the news hit the market, is already too late. That's why we put the news as a bonus. And the technical is our major focus here. When we add the news with it, we add more confirmation. That's it. We don't rely on it. So now what we should do? Now we have to have the strategy for the price target after the reverse split. Now the price is around the 1836. The resistance that we have to break to have a squeeze is the 2739. So 2739, how much or when, what's the price will be after reverse split? So we just multiply 2739 by 50. And you see here, the price that we should squeeze as is around the 1369 to be exact. So this is the price that we should watch out for after the reverse split on, let me just check again, on Tuesday, 27th of February. The other thing that we have to watch out for is our support, the 1658. Let me just put it here, 1658 multiplied by 50, $8.30. So this is the price that we should hold after the reverse split. So if you saw the price after the reverse split over the 9, this means we're still over the support. Once we break the 13 or the 1350, will be good for a squeeze up for PHN. So watch out for those two levels. The other levels that we have to watch, there's other reaction. As we said, we might have a pullback down instead, a squeeze up. If we broke the $8.29, watch out for the next dip around the 12.63 because we're gonna have another reversal from there. We might do another 25% like what we got here back in Friday. So there's two strategy here, guys. Either we buy the dip or we wait until we have the rib over the 13, or now is around the 27.39. Or the other strategy is buying before like the reversal, which is over the 16.58. So as long as we hold the 16.58 or over the $8.30, we're good to go to have a reversal. So you might be asking, okay, Jesus, it's good to buy now because we might have a reversal, and would be good to buy here because we are near the support, and the reversal should be almost 50%. So you don't want to have to miss this opportunity. Yes, you could do that, but we don't have a confirmation here. So you have to be willing to lose at least 10% or 11% if we broke the support. So this is the third strategy, either buying here just near the support for a reversal, then taking profit around the 25 or around the $10 before even the $13 before the reverse split, or wait until we break the $13.50 after the reverse split, or right now over the 27.39, then we take profit around the 48 and beyond, or just wait until we have the dip toward the 12.63. So you see here we have three strategy: buying the dip once the price breaking the support, buying before the price reverse around the 16.50, and then take profit here. And the other strategy is buying after we have the confirmation breaking the 27. Let me just check one thing here. The 12.63, 12, this is the bottom. So how much this price would be after reverse split? $6.30. So the $6.30 should be the price target for PHUN to go to after the reverse split. Again, we have another question, great question from our hunters here. One of you asked me, Jesus, should we buy PHUN before the reverse split or not? The answer is clearly no. Before those kind of news is really tricky to buy because we have a volatility. We might have a fake out. The price will break the support, then go up. So this volatility I don't like. It's like going swimming once the hurricane hit is not good idea. If you're a server, yes, okay, this is really fun. But if you go to swim, not good idea. The same here. Don't go during the storm. Before the storm, after the storm, everything will be clear. So always be on the sideline during the storm for safety purposes. If you are a junkie, just do it, of course. However, here we have a strategy. We don't do this kind of things. We have to prepare for a dip to buy or a rib to buy, not during the hurricane. The hurricane here is the reverse split. Major news, merger, things like this is kind of risky to predict what's going to happen because we have the sentiment of the market. We have a lot of participants that will affect the price. Okay, so the technical will be really clear after the reverse split because we're going to have the exact price target after the reverse split. The chart will change. That's why we have different numbers, as we said. Now the 16 will be turning to 8, and the resistance from the 27 will turn to 13. So everything will change technically. Even the chart, we have to change it. So that's why I wait until the reverse split for a confirmation for entry and profit taking. Of course, we're gonna do update for you guys for all of that in pre-market, before the market open, on our Discord and Patreon, to discuss this price action, of course, on Tuesday before the market open, because everything will happen in pre-market, guys. So join us early if you want to have clear entry and exit for PHUN on Discord and Patreon. And of course, after that, on our YouTube, live streaming, exclusive, of course, always on YouTube, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.